a problem.
Right. So that sentence that was said by a man who, when a future employer calls, you will say, yes, he worked for us. He worked here for this many years. We'll give you performance evaluations. And when you ask why he doesn't work with you any longer, you're going to say he voluntarily resigned.
You are promoting, encouraging, and endorsing a man to work with our children who believes that way. Every single one of y'all voted to allow him to continue to work with our children. 7-0. And then the newspapers are confused with what's been said because you guys are further protecting him. And you didn't have to. You didn't have to. And like I said, if that article wouldn't came out, everyone was just going to say what y'all did. Y'all did bad by us. Okay, thankfully.
Let's be honest. If he was black and it was the other way around, it would have been none of that. He would have been out the door immediately. And the fact that after the teacher got interviewed by the principal, he was able to come back to the class knowing the students had already reported him and told the students to write a report about respect.
That he was reporting.
And are you smiling because she just came and told you LPD was coming? Because guess what? I get some fuck about LPD. Somebody fucking smelling. And you got this bitch over here that's on the iPad.
That's what y'all gonna do.
Yeah, we just ran you damn right.
Do I have a second? We have a motion for adjournment.
And did you not be on the iPad smelling our face last time?
We adjourn the meeting. So
Was you not eating?
No, that's what y'all gonna do.
Second.
That's what
All in favor?
Aye.
All opposed?
We don't care. Close this motherfucker down. And we'll be here in 2 minutes.
Agenda B20.
Excuse me. Prior to going forward, since we've made it a possibility for to speak, I'd like to speak because we've had.
We're not going to follow the agenda.
I too would like to make a statement.
We can do it. Members of the board, if you'd like to say, Member De La Cerda, just a moment, please. If you'd like to make a statement, you're welcome to do it during board superintendent communications, but we're going to follow the agenda.
I would like to apologize.
Member De La Cerda.
I would like to make a statement regarding our last speakers.
That's fine.
We've allowed this in the past.
Member De La Cerda.
We allowed this in the past.
You're out of order, Member De La Cerda. We're going to go to item B20. Approve budget.
I'd like to make a comment.
Member Davis.
I'd like to make a comment.
We're going to follow the agenda tonight. Agenda item B20. Approve the budget revision number 1 for fiscal year. Will now.
You rarely follow Robert's rules.
Okay, folks.
Mary Beth.
Okay, folks. Just a reminder: we represent children in this effort.
Thank you. We're going to follow the agenda. Every person.
I get it. I totally get that, and I appreciate you coming. I appreciate you coming to speak on behalf of the community to make certain that all voices are heard, and I'm very thankful for that. But I do not want to model for our community the sense of reality that we're experiencing right now. We have to have a model. The city expects us to conduct our business in a dignified and organized manner. I deeply appreciate you being here to speak on behalf of the community, but we can't have our meetings devolve into something that they ought not be.
Thank you. Ms. Keitha, please come to the podium.
Seen it was there tonight.
Oh my goodness, that is putting it mildly, but imagine for a moment nearly a fight breaking out among grown-ups, school board members no less, and it all happened in front of a room full of children. This is New Haven Public Schools Board of Education.
They are you for lying on this woman.
Erupting Monday into chaos. Moments after a 4-3 vote to hire Dr. Carol Burks as the next superintendent. Her controversial appointment exploded after parents said they felt ignored and silenced, and that 2 other finalists for the job were pushed aside.
We have 3 minutes, and this is what we stand for.
Board members Ed Joyner and Darnell Golson nearly came to blows after allegations of vote rigging and corruption.
We are hiring a superintendent from a school district that has consistently underperformed our own district. That's a fact.
Is it your position that Dr. Burks is not qualified for this job?
She's not qualified for this job.
This board asked for community and student involvement and is not listening to what they had to say.
Prior to the chaos, several dozen parents and students gave the board a mouthful. Most.
There's ELA, when I first started teaching ELA, there was like 20, 21 kids in a class, and now there's 29 kids in a class that we are now having, and we have not gotten raises. How are you going to take that money? Because it's basically taking out of the pockets of teachers.
Stop right now. That's not germane to what's on the agenda tonight.
Yes, it is. Raise. Come on now. How are you going to take?
What's on the agenda is the superintendent's contract.
With a raise.
With a
raise.
Well, that's not talking about the raise. It's talking
I
about
am.
the
I'm saying, how are you taking the raise when you're basically taking from the teachers and employees under you, when we have class sizes that are that big? This directly speaks to what you have just voted on.
Ms. Hargrave, a year ago, I presented to this board. Okay. Thank y'all very much. I appreciate it.
Anybody else?
Excuse me, can I not stand when I'm being spoken to?
Anybody?
Is there a
You're
rule?
going to leave, or I'm going to remove you. Take your things and go.
Are you serious? I hope somebody has this on video. Excuse me.
All right, vote in
Is
the
it
commentary.
against policy to stand? Sir, do not.
Hold on.
This is the most disgraceful and distasteful thing
I want another comment.
A comment.
She wasn't talking to you, she was talking to.
It was
Mr.
it
Hill.
was
I don't
comments
want
for
another-
the superintendent.
I don't want the audience commenting without being recognized.
She was recognized.
He was recognized.
By you.
And
He was speaking to me directly.
And he responded to her.
That's exactly right.
But you run everything. He did.
All right, more in the super.
The rentals and the capital expenses, right?
Yes.
And then on the last page, page 19, it's about 1.1 allocated for.
The last page, about 800,000, because you have 300,000 for busing.
Okay.
You're served.
So,
You're served. This is a court order that enjoins you from holding your secret meeting tomorrow in Melville. The Supreme Court ruled that that's illegal. Yes, yes. You're served.
Praise the Lord.
And then that school district is served.
Yes. Yes.
You're served.
So you've been.
Ms. Smith, you're served.
Yes. Oh, that's Ms.
Ms.
Smith.
Bigelow, you're served. The Hempstead School District is served.
Oh, she's the one robbing our kids. Yeah, okay. Stealing. She's stealing.
Ms. Jackson,
And our kids are still in the court.
this is a petition for your removal.
Woo!
Dr. Atiba. That's just as a necessary party. Mr. Johnson, have a good night.
You're making me take on my children. You're not having that. Hempstead all day.
So, what I was saying was, it looks like.
Have a good day.
Point, I think it was
Thank you.
4 on
Thank
page
you.
3. 1.4 million roughly on page 3. That's regarding